Hi guys, and welcome back to Fishing's Great Escape UK. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I set up my float for when I go sea fishing. What you'll need is a float of your choice. These ones are literally, there's a hole right the way through. These are a Seatech 23 grams. You get them in a range of colours. You're going to want 3 beads or 2 beads, 1 dumbbell weight, either a line stop bead or you can tie yourself a little a little stop knot, and that's so you can set your depth of your float, how deep you want to fish. We're going to have a swivel for the end of a line, and then what we want for a hook length, whether you want to tie your hook directly onto the bottom of the float or use a snap swivel so you can take your bait on and off and pre-bait another rig ready to go. Okay, put them out of the way. First of all, on your main line, let's tangle it up already. Good start. Let's run it in a little bit. So if this was our main line, straight from the eyes of your rod, from the tip, first thing we're going to do is we're going to tie a bead on with one of these. Literally, we go through, make a loop, and then just pull one of these straight over. And that's on. So literally you just put it on, pull through, and that is now on. So that allows us to move this up and down, and that will set our depth in the water. So we'll just move that along. Next we're going to go 1 bead. So this bead will then go up, and that will hit that, and that will stop us from going any further. Next be our float. Feed that on. So now, as you can see, when we're in the water, once that hits that point, it can't go no further. And if we want to go deeper, we literally move the stopper up, and that's as far as that can go there. So you can either now go with your weight straight on or another bead. I prefer another bead just to take some of the shock out. Then we go with our little dumbbell or cannonball weight, little cannonball. And then we go with 1 more little bead, and this bead is going to stop the weight from smacking on our knot. So now we're at the end, we're going to put on our swivel. I'm just using a little blood knot, average round 6-7 times. Put through the loop. A bit of saliva. Pull tight. Make sure that's nice and tight. Snip off the end. Right, so that is the main body of what we want to do. So that's our main body. As you can see, there you go, pull that down. So that's what our main body is going to look like. So now from there we're going to set our what we're going to fish with down the business end. We're going to have the hook. I tend to use size 3 is what I'm really doing, and I do tend to use the hanging snap swivels purely so I can just have this. I can make them all out. I can pre-bait these, hang them on the side, hang them off my tripod, have them all pre-baited ready to go. If I come in, I can go straight back out again. So all that is literally, you can go any depth you want. I tend to make average these at a foot, 2 foot. For the float, I would normally go, I'd have on a little reel. One of these, I would normally have pre ones of these done for float, maybe about a metre, metre and a half depending, and in that way just from this section I've already made up, and I literally just make them literally like that, so when I'm ready I can literally snap on and that's it, I'm ready to go. And if you've got something like this, or you're using your little winders, you make a load of these up first of all, then literally if you're baiting, you come in, there's nothing on, you've lost all your bait, that can come straight off, next one straight on, and you're out fishing again literally within minutes. So that is how I set up my sea floats. Tried and tested and works very well. This particular one is a Seatech. You do get in a little pack when you buy them. You get your float, 3 beads, your little cannonball weight, 1 swivel and 1 hook. I don't think you've got little stoppers. I think they're just ones I had in the kit. But like I say, you can either use a little stopping bead, or you can use a little stop knot. Tie it yourself, little stop knot. And that's around about it. Thank you very much.